Right on, so you've seen me take the all the crap out and I give it a good sweep. So what we're going to do today, well, what you're going to see us do next actually, is I've got some wire wheels to put on a drill just to clean off all the rust before it gets treated. I've even brought my max speeding rods 3500 generator, so I've got a power supply here. That's why it might seem like I'm shouting, because of the, I don't know if that's creating too much noise. I've also brought with me a set of torque screwdriver bits. I've got my brand new indicators, and I think I'm going to go through fitting those, but also the side light repeaters. I'm changing them for the Audi style, so you know where it goes like Michael Knight, is it called sequential or something like that? So what I'm going to do is, I might get a kid on that. I've got him a face mask if he wants to, but you've seen his face, it's not that much to look at. So yeah, there we go, you see. So yeah, we'll crack on. See you shortly. Right, so I'm going to get this wing mirror off. So you've got two Torx bits here, and I believe it is a T40. So we're going to get them off. Is there anything down this trim? Yes, there is. There we go, so that's just a few clips on there, look. I hope I didn't just break that one off. Bugger. Right, never mind. Right. Not as easy as I thought it would be. It's not them, is it? It's not that. I must just give it a quick wiggle. Ah, I know what it needs to go. It needs to go to the door. What an idiot. Right, so there should be. Right, all that there. It looks like that harness runs into here. What the hell? Hold there a minute. Right, after a bit of screaming, I finally worked out how to get that off. Well, not off. So you need somebody to hold that side, or else it takes tension on this cable here. So this speaker cover will just pop off, and then you will see the cables here. So it looks like it's just a little clip together thing. That's one. Right, has that disconnected it, brother? See if it pulls all the way out. No, is it two cables? Yeah, hold on. Right, there's the second one. Just give me a bit more slack again. Right, there you go. Let that pull out. Right, pull the car back a bit.
Got it. There we go.
There we go. Right, cool. Let me just go and match that to the other one now. It should match up alongside of it just the same. Cheers, kid. Right, there we go then. So there's the sensor. Let's have a look. Let me just mount you somewhere for now. Go there ish. Can you see there sort of area? Yeah. Yeah, so there you go, you got the sensor, you got the two connections, look identical. So the next, I suppose, what I'm going to do is changing this side repeater here. I'm going to be changing this side repeater. So I think I've got to pop the glass. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop the glass on my old one, just to see if I can do it without breaking it. Right, how am I going to get that off there? And it need a bit of a weight. Well, I know I'm definitely not taking it off that way on my new one. So that's the heated screen. So then, oh, I thought there was a couple of screws holding that in. There isn't. Oh, you arsehole there. Right, scrap that what I just did, because that was a waste of time. I just noticed on the old one, there's a couple of turning screws right in the middle. So that must mean that this lens cap comes off somehow. Yeah. Right, I need a little positive screwdriver, young man. It's all a learning curve, isn't it? Just think I'm doing this so you don't have to. Yeah, that has got a screw in. That has got a screw in this one. Right, hang on then. I could push the mirror down. Right. There you go, there's another lesson learned. Bloody hell. Right, there's that. There's that. Whew! Right, is this, have I got the correct side of the smoky mirror? So it looks like that pushes into there. That screws from around there. Alright, might be just me, unless I've got the wrong sided one. Let me just check. Alright, where have I put the other one? What a plank! Right, this might be the one. They both look the same. Right, take that over there. Let's push that into there. Right, here we go. What, you lost?
Close it right over there, isn't she?
Hey, that's the fella. Right, then, where's that small positive drive gone? We could put them positive drives back in. That might not be the right size. Oh, that might be. Right. Yeah. Well, there was no way I was going to break that off. Right on. Let's see what this looks like on the side of the van. So I've got to fish the wires now. See there, look. So that was that thing. Right. So let's get that back on and see if we can fish the wires back through. Right, so we're going to feed that through there, and our kid's going to hold it in place. And I'm going to try and get the cables connected back up. So, right, that's there. Right, wait a minute. Pull back a bit. It's got to go down.
Go further down.
Yeah, that way. Right. No, I haven't got it yet. See if I can place you somewhere. Right. Where is it? You've gone down there. No, I think I might have to use a fishing rod. I don't know. So I'm going to try and go up there. There we go. Right, can you see that? Get that in there. Down, down, down. Right, wait a minute, wait a minute. Right, I'm going to hook that onto. Try and stay still, kid. Lift it up, lift it up. Right, I'm going to try and go for the thinnest one. I'm going to hook the hook. I appreciate it's not a very good camera angle, but it'll be worth it in the end. Right, got it. Right, you bring that through. Let it go, let it go. Hang on, the hook's stuck. Oh, what's stopping that? I don't know, I have to take this whole bloody side panel off just for this. Right, I've got one of the plugs. So where's the other one gone?
Should be far off.
I know, I don't want to yank it off the end though.
No.
Effing thing. How come? Got it. Yay! Right. God, that took a bit of doing. But have patience. Right, these should now. Bloody hell. Let me just connect this up. The correct way around. Is that the right one? And that one. Right, let's just close the door a little. Then you can push them in. Yeah?
Yep.
Right, hold it in place. While I bring one of the, put the torque screws in.
Yeah, I think there's something.
Hang on, it's probably because. Let me open the door a bit. Once that's in.
Oh, there you go, it's full in place now.
Right.
Now the door's opened.
Opened.
Yeah, opened.
Fucking hell. Let's get a couple in.
Well,
Ah, that doesn't look like it's online. Inline even. No, you're not in line. It needs to come across to you. Pull it out.
well, I can't pull any further.
Right, pull the top the other way. Wait there. Bloody hell! That's trying to do everything one bloody handed. Right, I'm going to tighten them up now. I thought it was all the same, like that. Oh.
See, it's a new wing mirror, isn't it? So.
Is that pulled up?
Get in there.
You see them two are way offline. Oh dear. So I bought these off Amazon. But it looks a bit offline. But what I want to do.
That one's alright, isn't it? That
Yeah.
one's a bit.
What my main thing is now. So let's put me hazards on. So let me come round how it used to be. That one's not working because the bulb's gone on that side. That one's flashing away. Ah, you twat! Oh, that hurt. Big hole in my t-shirt. There we go, so that's what that used to look like. And now hopefully... Oh yeah, baby! God, freaking glad I had all the gear to do with that. Because I'd have never been able to do it for what didn't come fully prepared with everything I need. I wonder if I can slow that down because that looks a bit fast to me. Right, let's do the other one. Right, quick note, make sure you take these things out because you won't get that back on otherwise. Then you could just slot these back in to where they need to be to fit it back on the door. Flip that back on there. Which way was that? That way. Right, that must go back into that. Oh, got it. Got it. Ah, hallelujah. Right. That's the driver's side. Now I've got a bulb out on the other side, but that's still flashing at normal speed. And this one. Now it's got to be said, that one took 5 minutes to fit, and I had a really fluky thing in getting the cable. But I say, the more you practice, the more you get done, don't you? So yeah, so that's 2 new wing mirrors and side repeaters. So if I close this off, there we go. So that needs replacing next. So I think we'll do that. There shouldn't be a lot involved with this, should there? I know this isn't really doing the van build, but it's just tidying it up, innit? So let's see if we can get that one out. Right, screwdriver. It'll be too warm in there for it, won't it? Ah, got it. Right, with a bit of luck at the back wind, these should just... Here we go! That's my type of fixes. That looks a lot better, doesn't it? Slightly different trim. Slightly different come out. It's probably because it's old, didn't it, really? Let's get that door open again. You can see how kids be taking the rust back. Look, we're halfway, we're getting there. Right, more rubbish. So that's a couple of jobs done. Should be alright in there.
Yeah, she'll come out, it's just too warm.
Oh, okay. Are you just randomly going where you like?
What?
Are you just going in a random pattern?
No, I've gone up there.
Yeah.
I've done there, and I've gone up there.
Yeah.
I've done little patches there. There's not there, so it's just...
Right, okay. Well, I'll get that wheel out and then I'll move the line up.
Yeah.
What I will do, I'll read the instructions of the stuff I've got. So sure, it says you can spray it straight onto rust. We'll have a look. Right, I'm pausing there. Right, so we'll give that a quick background back. It does need some rust treatment. I sprayed a bit of this on here, but it's pants. So I'm going to get some proper rust treatment. Basically, it's where they've screwed through and it's buggered it up there. And there's an hole there, but I might just get a couple of rivets in it. I'm not into welding. But I'm going to get some proper rust eater just to put on there, just to convert it.